You are now watching, By the Minute, where we highlight unsolved, unidentified and missing cases across the nation. Today we head to Louisiana. Baton Rouge, Louisiana. October 16, 2016. Christopher Wheeler, 32, a musician from Baton Rouge, would be waiting for a bus at a stop located in the 3000 block of Plank Road. Police would get a call around 8:30 a.m. for a man shot in the head at that bus stop bench. Christopher would be pronounced dead at the scene. Authorities are unaware of a motive and need assistance from the community in solving this gruesome crime. Police are investigating 4 other robberies that happened on Plank Road in a span of 2 months. Hours before Christopher was murdered, a person reported being robbed at gunpoint by a female. Whoever has been committing these crimes in the area is dangerous, and it is important that we get them in custody. We do not want these suspects to wreak havoc on our community, and they must answer for their crimes. If you have any tips about this case, please contact the Capital Region Crime Stoppers.
Creole, Louisiana. July 23, 1992. Missing persons. Wilda Mae Benoît, 14, would be at home after being released from the hospital following a shoulder surgery. Wilda May was living with her aunt and uncle at the time. The morning of July 23, Wilda was thought to be at work with her aunt. By afternoon, her family called authorities and Wilda would be declared missing. Authorities initially believed Wilda may have run away, as jewelry and clothing were missing. But Wilda May was heavily sedated and on painkillers from her shoulder surgery. Her family believed she had to have left with someone. Authorities have continued to work this case, reviewing possible sightings and interviewing persons of interest, but to no avail, have found the true whereabouts of Wilda May. At the time of her disappearance, Wilda May was 14, a white female, 5 feet 0 inches, weighing 100 pounds, with blue eyes and brown hair. At the taping of this episode she would be 45. Here are age-progressed photos of what she may look like. If you have any tips about the disappearance of Wilda May, please contact the Tammany Parish Sheriff's Office. Wilda May's family has gone without answers for decades. Help us get answers. Wilda May, if you are out there, your family wants to know that you are okay. Remember, any tips can help us get answers.
St. Tammany Parish, Louisiana. June 19, 1986. Unidentified. A fisherman fly fishing would find a grim surprise awaiting him in the lake of Pontchartrain. The body of an unidentified female would be found dead, near the east of the Interstate 10 twin spans and about 50 yards from the north shore. Our Jane Doe was found floating with her face covered in a plastic bag, secured with duct tape around her neck, attached with a 22-pound weight. The victim would also sustain multiple stab wounds to her face. Authorities would determine her cause of death to be due to asphyxiation, 2 days prior to when her body was discovered. An autopsy would reveal that the woman also had breast implants. Detectives would attempt to identify her based on the serial number, but there wasn't one. They also spoke with surgeons in the area, and none of them would use the brand that was found in our victim. DNA and dental impressions are available to help us identify our victim. Our Jane Doe is a white female, between the ages of 20 to 30 years old, 5 feet 3 inches, with red auburn hair and weighing 126 pounds. Our victim also had a scar on her abdomen, right knee and her right wrist. The picture we've shown is a computer-enhanced version of what our Jane Doe may look like. If you know who she is, please contact the St. Tammany Parish Sheriff's Office. Someone in our community is missing their name. Someone from our community knows who she is, whether her being from Louisiana or just visiting. And someone out there also murdered her. Let's get answers to her identity so that we can get more clues on what happened to her and get our suspect in custody.
In the state of Louisiana there are approximately 10,000 unsolved murders, 119 unidentified persons and 570 missing people unaccounted for. Unfortunately, these numbers do not include everyone, as there are some still yet to be discovered. Together, we the community can help close these cases, grant answers and justice to our victims' families. Until then, these cases go cold, by the minute. Thank you for watching By the Minute News. Tune in to the channel for more true crime cases across the nation. Subscribe for more.